Is the real estate market changing seasons quicker than the color of the leaves on your trees? Well, stick around because I have your October real estate market update. Hi, I'm Paula Flagg, and I'm here today with your October real estate market update. So the market is shifting, and it's shifting to a more normal, healthy market. Now, after 2.5 years of a crazy pandemic market, both the buyers and sellers are feeling the differences. So, what's really happening in our market? So, these are the numbers for the greater DC metro area, and I'd be happy to provide you with neighborhood specifics for your home or for your town if you would like them. So, please feel free to reach out. So in the DC market, we saw 6,326 closing in the month of September. That's down 27% from last year and down 12% from last month. There were just over 9,000 new listings that came on the market. That's down from 22% last year in September. And we finished out the month with a total active listings of just under 11,000, and that is 0.8% from last September. So up slightly, but not very much. Days on market has come up to 24 days on market is the average for properties that are before they go under contract. For perspective, last September it was 18 days. This year it ranged from January, the average days on market was 28, and May was 12. So we're in the middle of that range right now. In terms of month supply, we are at 1.39, which is up from 1.19 last September and up from 1.24 in August this year. So month supply is increasing a little bit. Just for perspective, we tend to say that 4 to 6 months is a balanced market. So we're still dealing with low inventory. Average sales price to list price ratio. This is a very interesting statistic. So if we compare the sales price to the original list price of when a house first came on the market, those sales prices are 98.2% below the original list price. However, the sales price to the list price when a house goes under contract is 99.7%. So what those numbers are telling me is that some sellers are putting their house on the market. They have a pretty aggressive price, hoping to get maybe what a house down the street got 6 months ago or a year ago, and they're needing to lower their price. They make a price reduction, and then the houses are selling pretty close to that list price once they make the price correction. So what's causing all of this shift? Well, it's actually a very intentional shift that's happening in the market. Interest rates have been raised by the Fed, which is impacting bonds, 10-year Treasury bonds, and that is what drives mortgage rates. They're very intentionally trying to cool off the market so that they can bring inflation down, stop prices from getting out of control, and keep our economy moving forward in a very healthy manner. So, with all this information, what do you need to know? Well, for one, market conditions are always changing. The best time to buy a home, sell a home, or invest in real estate is when it's right for you. And whatever the market conditions happen to be at that time, then we work within those conditions. And fortunately, as markets change, so do the products and strategies that are available for buyers and sellers. So if you're selling your house, my advice is price appropriately. Don't expect to get the same sales price as your neighbor who sold 12 months ago. Buyers were paying a premium for the low interest rate that they were able to lock in at that time, not for a specific house. Also, be prepared and willing to provide some type of closing cost credit to buyers that will help them buy down their rate to get closer to what will work for them as a monthly payment. If you're buying a home, take advantage of assumable loans when that's available and a possibility. Also, look into rate buy down programs and request closing costs from sellers to help pay for those rate buy downs. Remember that the rates are always fluctuating as well. So if rates go down, you will be able to refinance in the future. And if they don't, you'll be happy that you locked in today's rates when you did. I'd love to talk with you more about what options may work for you and your situation. Call me or send me a text at 202 670 5880 to schedule a time to talk. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope it was helpful. And as always, thank you for choosing Paula Flagg Homes for all of your real estate needs.